by rewriting the problem and lining up the decimal points. You'll notice 4 is a whole number and doesn't have a decimal, but every number can have a decimal point placed at the end of it. So 4 is 4 with a decimal. We will also want to use zeros as placeholders, so both numbers have the same number of digits after the decimal point. So I'm going to say 4.0. I then add each column just as I would whole numbers. So that was 8. Here's my decimal point, so I bring it straight down, and I get a final answer of 70 and 8 tenths. When subtracting integers, you do the same thing. Once again, 18 doesn't have a decimal, so it's behind, so it's 18.0. If you'll notice, 3 and 248 thousandths, so that means that I have to add additional zeros, so every digit has a 0 above it. So we have the same number of digits behind the decimal. I have to begin by borrowing all the way over at the 8. Borrowing, I get 10, so I subtract here. So now I'm ready to start actually subtracting. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here's my decimal. I bring it straight down. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So my final answer is 14 and 752 thousandths. Now this last problem I'd like you to write down and do it on your own. After you've solved it, play the video and check your work. Pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to begin by rewriting the problem and lining up my decimal points. I have to add 1 0 for one placeholder. Now I can go ahead and subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. I can't take 3 away from 6, so I have to borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here's my decimal, so I bring it straight down. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. My final answer is 12 and 70.